Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2003. Here they have given a few lines of code in the form of functions. One function is Q function, another is P function, another is main function. We can call it as a method also. Okay, fine. The output of this program is they have asked. Okay, fine. So guys, you know every program is going to start executing from the main method. Main method. Here x equal to 5. Guys, is it a local variable or a global variable? It is global variable. Guys, you have to understood, right? They have declared here a global variable x, right? Whenever you modified any value of x, that will be updated in this global variable if you are not going to define any kind of data type for the respect to thing. So this is global variable x, so my value is 5. And immediately I am going to call a function called p of address of x. Assume that this address is 100. Address is 100. So my control will go to the function where the function name is p and which is accepting a pointer, right? So there is a function called p which is accepting a pointer. So here I am going to pass p of 100, meaning that here you will get 100, means the local pointer y created, it contains the value 100. As soon as it is having 100 its address, it will be connected to like this, and then the local variable x is created. Guys, observe, this is global variable and this is local variable x. And star y means I am waiting outside. If I am going to have star y, you will get the value 5. So 5 plus 2 is 7, that will be updated in the local variable x. Okay, immediately my control will be moved to the next statement, that is q of x, meaning that I am going to call a function called q function by passing the x value. So here x value is 7. The local variable x is going to be called, right? Meaning that now local variable z is created. Z is created, right? Local variable z contains the value 7. Z equal to z plus equal to x means, so you know z plus equal to x means z equal to z plus x, right? Meaning that z value is 7, x value, is there any local variable x present in this particular q function? No. Then it will take the global variable. What is the global variable? 5. So 7 plus 5 is 12, that will be updated in the local variable z, but in the local variable z, and that z is going to be printed. So if I am going to print the z, first print I got is 12, and once the function completes execution, and again my control comes to here, star y equal to x minus 1. What is x now? The local variable x. Local variable x is 7. X is 7. That 7 minus 1 is 6. That will update into star y, meaning that global variable x is updated 6. Now it is trying to print the value of x. If it is print the value of x, it will treat the local variable x, that is 7. Now once this function completes execution, the control will comes to the next statement, it is print x. Print x, right? If it is going to print x, it will check for the local variable. Is there a local variable? No. It's having a global variable. That global variable 6 is going to be printed. So whichever answer is matched, that is correct. So option A is correct. Okay, so here the thing is, when the corresponding function is executing, if it is searches for a particular variable like x, first it will give priority to local variable. Local variable. If there is no local variable, then only cursor will move to global variable. So if you know this point, then your program, you can able to solve it correctly. Okay, guys, here you have to identify one more thing. Like you have observed here, there is a macro, has defined macro. Printx means wherever the printx variable, printx statement is there, it is going to replace it with the corresponding statement. Printx is going to replace with printf of percentage d comma x. So why they have used means, in order to avoid the redundancy. So instead of writing here printf percentage d comma z, here printf percentage d comma x, printf percentage d comma x, they have used a simple statement, that is macro. So macro is also important for you. Okay, so don't worry about it's like how they used, but you have to understood like as they have used macro, you have to simply replace it with those values. Okay, so answer is 12 7 6. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.